Hey there, it's Matthew with Finsanto again. And here at Finsanto, when you bring your vehicle in, we check it over for maintenance needs and upcoming repairs. So let's talk about what to expect. One part of every vehicle's visit is an inspection, where we visually check many components of your vehicle. So let's start by looking at the conditions that may show up on your inspection. The green section is for items on the inspection that look good. Pretty simple so far, right? The yellow section is for items that need to be addressed in the future. It is a section reserved for items that will need to be fixed, but it's not vital that it gets fixed during this visit. The red section is specifically for items that are a concern during this visit. These are items that have already failed or pose a safety risk to you or your vehicle. These items require immediate attention. So, what kind of items do we check? I'm glad you asked. Every inspection begins with a test drive. The exception, of course, is if the vehicle does not start or drive, then we cannot conduct a test drive. We then check the instrument cluster, horn, wipers, lights, and the alignment. Next, we pop the hood and check the engine bay. It's normally where your battery lives along with your fluids, filters, and drive belt. We'll also keep an eye out for any leaks. After we've checked under the hood, we lift your vehicle up and check the tires and brakes. Finally, the vehicle goes all the way up and our technician checks under the vehicle. We're looking for fluid leaks, checking the suspension and steering, and looking at the driveline and exhaust system. Finally, after the repairs have been done, or the maintenance you requested is completed, we do a final test drive and quality control check. That's it! Yes, it doesn't sound like a lot, but this process can take some time to do correctly. Your safety and the safety of your family is important to us, and we want you to know about potential issues before they become problems that make driving difficult or unsafe. It's our job, and it's what sets us apart. Every vehicle gets an inspection, so you know exactly what needs to be addressed. Drop by for any service and let us keep you safe on the road. After all, here at Finsanto, we're a wrench above the rest.